How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to easily share someone's story on Instagram. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you've done that, all you have to do is basically go ahead and find the story that you want to repost. Tap on the story. As you can see, this is the story from a public account, but if someone has tagged you in their story, you can easily repost it by adding it to your own. As you can see here, this story has tagged me or mentioned me in the story, so I can just tap on add to story. Then you can easily repost the story. You can tap on it to make it full screen, or you can just tap on it to leave it showing the owner of the story as well. Once you've done that, you can also customize your own story by adding different stickers, and all you have to do is tap on your stories down below to post it, tap on share, and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.